Kids, welcome back to our EVS class. So today we are going to learn a new lesson called plants are important. So we are going to learn about plants are important. So in our previous lesson we learned about plants and its different parts. So today we are going to learn why plants are important. So before learning this we will read it once. See here, plants give us food. Vegetables. Some plants give us vegetables. Vegetables come in different colors. They also differ in taste. Some of the common vegetables are lady's finger, brinjal, French beans, green peas, carrot, cauliflower. Then let's read about food grains. Here are some plants which give us food grains. Wheat, maize, jowar, gram, rice. Thanks to food grains, I get to eat bread and popcorn and yummy cake too. Fruits. Some plants give us fruits to eat. Fruits are of different shapes and sizes. All fruits have different tastes. Some of the common fruits are oranges, bananas, mangoes, watermelon, sweet lime, papaya, apples and grapes. Healthy brains. What was the last drink you had? Did you drink orange juice, coconut water or sugarcane juice? We get all these drinks from plants. Oil. We need oil to cook our food. We get coconut oil from coconut. We get groundnut oil from groundnut. We also get oil from sunflower and sesame seeds. Sugar. We get sugar from sugarcane plant. There is sugar in many eatable items. Can you name a few? Spices. We all add spices to our food. Cardamom, clove, cinnamon, black pepper and red chili. Plants also give us other useful things like cotton, jute, rubber, wood and paper. Cotton comes from the cotton plant. Cotton can be made into thread. The thread is then woven into cloth. Jute comes from the jute plant. We make sacks and bags from it. Rubber. What makes the ball bounce? Where do these rubber bands and raincoats come from? They are all made from rubber, which comes from rubber trees. Rubber trees are grown in big forests. Wood and paper. Your pencils, tables, chairs, all made from wood. All are made from wood that comes from trees. Wood pulp is used to make paper. Oh no, there is no paper. How will I get my books and kites? Plants are important. Plants produce gas called oxygen. We need oxygen to keep us alive. Animals also need oxygen. Food from plants give us energy. Medicines from plants. Many plants are used for making medicines. Some of them are neem, basil and sandalwood. See this? This is neem tree, this is basil tree and this is sandalwood. Now let's move to care of plants. We should take good care of plants. We should water them regularly. We should see that they get adequate sunlight. We should change the soil regularly and add required fertilizers. We should not cut trees nor pluck the leaves and flowers. Now let's start learning this one. Plants are important. Why are plants important? Because they give us food. Can you live without plants? Can you live without food? No, we cannot live without food. And we get food from what? Plants. Obviously, plants. Plants give us food in the form of vegetables, food grains, fruits, etc. First we will learn about vegetables. Vegetables, सब्जियां जो हम रोज खाते हैं. Some plants give us vegetable. Vegetables come in different colors. You get vegetables in different colors. See here, purple, orange, green, a bit yellow, white, etc. Right? They also differ in taste. All these vegetables differ in their taste. All of them differ in taste. Every vegetable has different taste from the other one. Brinjal tastes different than carrot, right? So these are some vegetables. ये कुछ सब्जियां हैं जो हम रोज़ खाते हैं. हर सब्जी का स्वाद अलग रहता है और सब्जियां अलग अलग रंग में आती है. जैसे कि ये ग्रीन है, ये ऑरेंज है, ये पर्पल है. सो दिस इज लेडीज फिंगर, भिंडी, ब्रिंजल, बैगन, फ्रेंच बीन्स, ग्रीन पीस, कैरेट, कॉलीफ्लावर. If you know more vegetables, then you need to write them in your book. Food grains. Food grains, here are some plants which give us food grains. ये जो food grains हैं, these are the vegetables that we get from plants. Now this is the food grains part of plant that we eat. Food grains like wheat, maize, jowar, gram, rice, etc. These grains, we do what? We make a wheat out of it or we cook them, right? Thanks to food grains, I get to eat bread and popcorn. The bread that you eat, the cake that you eat, its wheat comes from what? These kind of grains, like wheat grains. Thanks to food grain, I get to eat bread and popcorn and yummy cake too. You get popcorn from what? Corn, maize. So now let's learn about fruits. Like vegetables, fruits are also common. Like maize, vegetables, fruits are also common to eat. Some plants give us fruits to eat. Fruits are of different shapes and sizes. Fruits are of different shapes and sizes. All fruits have different taste. Like vegetables have different taste, fruits also have different taste. Oranges, banana, mango, watermelon, grapes, apples, papaya, sweet lime. Does orange taste same as banana? ऑरेंज का टेस्ट बनाना के जैसा सेम है? नो. ऑरेंज थोड़ा खट्टा रहता है, बनाना मीठा, मैंगो उससे भी मीठा, वाटरमेलन मीठा, ग्रेप्स अ लिटिल बिट खट्टा एंड मीठा, स्वीट अगेन sour. So all these fruits have different tastes. Okay. So healthy drinks. What was the last drink you had? वो कौन सा ड्रिंक था, वो कौन सा जूस था जो आपने लास्ट टाइम पिया था? डिड यू ड्रिंक ऑरेंज जूस, कोकोनट वाटर और शुगर केन जूस? क्या आपने लास्ट टाइम कोकोनट वाटर पिया था या शुगर केन जूस पिया था या ऑरेंज जूस पिया था? वी गेट ऑल दिस ड्रिंक्स फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. वी गेट ऑल दिस ड्रिंक्स फ्रॉम वेयर? प्लांट्स. यू गेट शुगर केन plants, plant stem. Orange fruit. This one also fruit. Understood? Now let's learn about oil. We need oil to cook our food. Why do you need oil? We need oil to cook our food. We get coconut oil from coconut. We get coconut oil from coconut. We get groundnut oil from groundnut. See here, मूंगफली. We also get oil from sunflower and sesame seeds. We also get oil from sunflower and sesame seeds. Sugar. We get sugar from the sugarcane plant. This is sugarcane plants. There is sugar in many eatable items. Can you name a few? हम ज़्यादातर जो मीठा खाते हैं या फिर अलग अलग खाना खाते हैं उसमें ज़्यादातर डेजर्ट्स में स्पेशली क्या रहता है? शुगर रहता है. So this sugar we get from sugarcane plant. Okay. So this is enough for today's class. In next class we will learn about spices, cotton, jute, rubber, wood, paper and why plants are important, medicines from plants, and how to take care of plants. Okay, so we will meet in next class. Till then, what do you have to do? You have to study well and you have to take care of yourself. Okay, and also main important thing is you need to read this lesson, that whatever we have learned today. Okay kids, so see you in next class. Till then, take care.